G'day, mate. Oh, crikey. I'm out here on a search for something fantastic from Arse Pocket Productions. It's my stamp. Now, he's a lively little fella and full of fun. Oh, there he is. Quick. Oh, crikey, mate, crikey, here he is. I got him. I found my little stamp. He's been running around out here wild. Anyway, here is my stamp. Now, I got this from arsepocketproductions.etsy.com, which has the largest catalogue of custom ex libris book plate rubber stamps in the world. And mate, they can custom design stamps for your every need. And their photopolymer stamps are environmentally friendly and durable for thousands of impressions. Oh, mate, you gotta go check them out. You'll be doing yourself a favour. Catch you later.